Wala na po ngayong online training para sa mga PCO at managing head. Base po ito sa inilabas na memorandum galing sa DENR Environmental Management Bureau, EMB Memorandum Circular number 2025-002 dated December 10, 2025, entitled Amendment to EMB Memorandum Circular number 2020-29 on online training for pollution control officers and managing heads. Pagka naghahanap ka ng training para sa PCO and managing head, wala ka nang makikitang mag-o-offer na online. Kasi dito sa Memorandum Circular, inaatasan dito ang mga training institution. Dito nakasulat sa Section 1, I read all EMB recognized pollution control officer training organizations or institutions shall primarily conduct PCO and managing head trainings face-to-face. So kung dati may mga online training, ngayon wala na. So ang mga training institution ay mayroong may directive from EMB na face-to-face na ang mga training. And sabi dito sa section 3, all training conducted in violation of this circular shall be deemed invalid and shall not be used for purposes of PCO accreditation. So kaya pagka nakapag-attend ka pa ng online training which is in violation ng memorandum circular na ito, mai-invalid yung certificate of training, lalong-lalo, sabi dito, and shall not be used for purposes of PCO accreditation. So, known to all regional offices o BMB na face-to-face na ang training, kaya pag mag-submit ka man ng requirements for PCO accreditation, kung online yung training mo, mula doon sa period na ito, itong sinasabing Memorandum Circular 2025-002 sa effectivity date nito kasi meron itong um, effectivity 15 days after its publication in a newspaper of general circulation. Kung makikita mo, ito ay na-published December 30, 2025. Na-acknowledge naman ito January 7, 2026. So, plus 15, edi 22. So, tatanggalin mo yung January 22. So, January 23 ng taong 2026, dapat face-to-face na ang mga trainings for PCOs and managing heads. I hope that is clear. And you look for training institution na nag-o-offer na face-to-face and compliant dito sa memorandum circular na ito. So if you want to attend the PCO training or managing head training, you can contact JP Environment Consultancy Services at 0998-543-5466 or email us at jpex.training@gmail.com jpex.training@gmail.com. So, JP Environment Consultancy Services, jpex.training@gmail.com. Pwede ka mag-Viber din sa 0998-543-5466. 0998-543-5466 para sa mga schedule ng training for PCO and managing head. Let us comply with this Memorandum Circular 2025-002 and magagamit natin yung Certificate of Training for the purpose of PCO accreditation. Thank you very much and God bless us all.